Long before dinosaurs roamed the land, ancient marine predators already dominated the seas. It has been over 450 million years since sharks began roaming the oceans. They have survived mass extinctions, shifting continents, and even the rise and fall of different formidable creatures. The main question is, how did these terror fishes evolve to become some of the most flawless killing machines the oceans have ever seen? To scientists, it is a mystery. As a matter of fact, the largest predatory fish to have ever lived is a shark, the Megalodon. This is the story of sharks, an evolutionary journey which has lasted nearly 500 million years and still continues today. Every shark belongs to the class Chondrichthyes, which simply means cartilaginous fishes. Unlike bony fishes, sharks have skeletons made of cartilage, a tough yet flexible tissue that makes them lighter and fast swimmers. The only part of their skeleton not made from cartilage is their teeth. The class Chondrichthyes is further divided into two main subclasses, Elasmobranchi and Holocephali. All true sharks fall under Elasmobranchi. Their features include 5 to 7 gill slits on each side of their head, rigid dorsal fins, placoid scales, also known as dermal denticles, which give their skin a sandpaper texture. Within the subclass Elasmobranchi, sharks are further divided into 9 main living orders, each representing a unique lineage and lifestyle. There are currently over 500 known species of sharks, ranging in size from the tiny dwarf lantern shark, which is only about 20 centimeters in length, to the largest living fish on Earth, the whale shark. It can reach over 40 feet in length. Sharks are among the oldest living vertebrates on Earth. Their evolutionary roots trace back more than 400 million years, predating dinosaurs, mammals, and even trees. Sharks are thought to have originated during the late Ordovician period, around 450 million years ago, based on microfossils such as scales and teeth. The earliest well-preserved fossil of a shark lived during the Devonian period, approximately 370 million years ago. The Devonian period, commonly known as the Age of Fishes, saw the rapid diversification of fish, including early sharks. Several primitive shark-like species emerged. The Cenozoic era is when modern sharks truly dominated. Following the Cretaceous extinction, which wiped out the non-avian dinosaurs, sharks seized the opportunity to expand into newly available ecological niches. It is within this period in which the largest predatory fish to have ever swarmed the oceans emerged, the Megalodon shark. According to science, Megalodon is one of the most powerful predators to have ever evolved. The Megalodon is estimated to have reached lengths of 65 to 82 feet and weighed approximately 70,000 kilograms, making it one of the largest predators in the history of planet Earth. In contrast, modern great white sharks weigh between 680 and 1,800 kilograms. Megalodon is an extinct species of giant shark that lived approximately 23 to 3.6 million years ago, from the early Miocene to the early Pliocene epochs. The jaws of the Megalodon is about 10 feet wide when fully opened. The most common fossils of Megalodon are its teeth. On average, a tooth of the Megalodon could measure over 7 inches in slant height and are the largest of any known shark species. Numerous research suggests Megalodon had a very robust dentition and had over 250 teeth in its jaws, spanning 5 to 7 rows. Sharks lose and replace thousands of teeth in a lifetime due to hunting and feeding. One shark can lose 30,000 or more teeth in their lifetime. The teeth of a shark are embedded in the gums and not directly faced to the jaw. Multiple rows of replacement teeth grow on the gum and steadily move forward over time. The rate of tooth replacement varies from once every 8 to 10 days to several months. This tooth replacement process is the same in Megalodon sharks. Their teeth have been found scattered on coastal beaches. The name Megalodon means giant tooth. According to some studies, the Megalodon had the strongest bite in the history of the Earth. Estimates suggest the Megalodon could generate a bite force of approximately 39,600 pounds per square inch. That is nearly 8 times stronger than the strongest bite among all living animals, the bite of the crocodile. Because shark skeletons are cartilage, they fossilize poorly. Most of what remains are teeth and some vertebrae. This means there are gaps in what scientists can directly observe. Despite its dominance for millions of years, the Megalodon shark unfortunately went extinct during the Pliocene epoch, around 3.6 to 2.6 million years ago. The exact cause of the extinction remains a subject of debate among scientists, with theories ranging from changes in ocean temperature and sea levels to competition with other predators or the decline of prey species. Paleontologists view Megalodon's extinction not as due to a single cause, but as the result of multiple pressures which built up over time. So far, no evidence suggests a sudden catastrophe was directly responsible for Megalodon's extinction, unlike some mass extinction events in the history of the Earth. Rather, a slower erosion of favorable conditions seems more likely. According to theories, large marine mammals declined in diversity and abundance. Some migrated to colder waters or adapted differently. Some lineages became extinct. With fewer large prey, Megalodon's high metabolic and reproductive demands became harder to meet, leading to its extinction. The Megalodon, being so large, came with a disadvantage. They needed high amounts of energy, which the cold or nutrient-poor oceans made harder to satisfy. Other theories also link Megalodon's extinction to climate change, which is believed to have initiated a long-term cooling trend for warm water superpredators. As the oceans cooled and currents shifted, sea levels fell and warm coastal waters contracted. These effects reduced both feeding grounds and nursery areas for the Megalodon. These pressures accumulated over millions of years until Megalodon populations could no longer sustain themselves. They eventually disappeared,